Hi everyone, today I'm gonna unpack the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. Let's see, it's a new robot, it's a flagship, it's come out like 1 month ago, so I bought it and we're gonna see how it compares to other robots. Let's open it. Let's open it. Dreame. Can you like it forward? That tells you what to do. So it's like put the base there, then turn on the robot and connect it. You can pause and read it. So yeah. And finally the first robot that has a Dreame voice assistant. Here are the base. Here we have some mopepads, instruction, brush to clean it now. So let's open it. Let's open this box. It's the essentials for the robot. Let's open it. Let's see what it comes. Have the instruction Dreame X50 series. Scale inhibitor label, what just tells you the things. It's in Chinese. We have the power cord. We have the brush. It's a nice one. Because I have from L40, I'm gonna show you the comparison. I think I like this more. And the mopepads. Two of those. And of course an extra bag. There's nothing back. So this is the X50 brush. And this is L40. So I'm gonna unpack the base and show you the base, okay? Let's firstly unpack the robot. Oh yeah, there's the rungs, base, and here is the robot. It's so heavy. Let's open the robot. This extra packaging. So let's unbox it. So heavy. I think it's one of the heaviest robots. It was kind of hard to remove. There's the AI action, there's the camera, and the light. Let's take it out of the box. You can do this. And how does top room? It moves completely. It's on the magnet. Let's see. Here is the robot. Take out the dustbin. A small dustbin, like see the compartments, the filters, and everything. So it's, I don't know how many milliliter system here. Let me check for you. You can clean the filter once in a month. Remove here the sticker for charging and water filling.
and the back, so the bumper one will unlock. And here's the LiDAR, retractable LiDARs. The double brush roll, the black one you kinda can see it has the bristles, and the orange one is just the rubber thing. Also has a retractable legs for the legs. The spinning brush. Yeah, that's how it looks. Let's install the mopeds. One moped and the second one. Oh yeah, and this one. Mode. Let's look onto the corners. This is the extra set. It comes with the robot, I don't know, with everything, not with mine. Wow. So we have the liter of Dreame solution. Is it a liter? Yep, 1 liter. Then 6 of these mopeds, like basically 12. Mopeds. 3 filters. And 2 brushes. And 2 of the brushes, yeah, side brush. It's because it's the ultra complete version. This is the station you have here, and there is some new cleaning of the mob technology. Have the small nozzles that will spray the water like really fast. This will clean all of them up, and this will go straight to the filter. There's nothing you need to clean, only this filter. Remove it and clean it. And this is like one, not. There's the that's how. There's the charging port. Water that's gonna come, I think solution. And the waste gonna go there. It's a pretty good base. I love it. Let's connect it. Let's put the robot to the dock. It's in the dock. It's gonna, wow. Look at the light. Oh, the LiDAR. Let's connect it to the up. Wait. Up.
Welcome to use Dreame Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download Dreame Home app to view more operations.
Wow, it's even talks to you. So I'm in the Dreame app. That's my L40 one. Let's connect the new robot.
Bye bye everyone, I hope you enjoyed my Dreame vacuum and stay for more videos, and we're gonna test it in next video. Bye.